What is that, Coco? Mau, are you teasing Coco? Maui is totally teasing Coco. Keeps coming up to the glass and Coco keeps swatting at him. Oh, now Coco sees his dinner. Kind of just twirling around in there. Oh, oh. What's he doing, Coco? Watch now, Maui's gonna come back and tease Coco a little bit. He's gonna go turn around. Kind of goes over there a little bit and then he'll turn around. Oh man, I got some algae I gotta clean up. And then he's gonna come back. Yeah, here he comes. Then Coco's gonna freak out. There he goes. There. Oh, he's eyeing up Coco. And then he's gonna go over there and freak Coco out. Or is he gonna have his dinner? Oh, he's going for dinner instead. Oh, here it comes. Oh, oh my gosh. It's a feeding frenzy. Oh dear. Oh my gosh. There it goes. Oh dear. Coco, what did you just witness? Yeah, I know, right? Maui's like, yeah, what? I just ate. Now what? Gonna go tease Coco some more? What are you doing, Maui? Boom. Now you're content. You're not gonna play with Coco?